Hello viewers, welcome to my channel page Dreamland Academy. Raju sir, hope all you're well. I have provided near about 8 videos on adverb, time, place, manner, degree, number, order, cause and effect, assertion and negations. I have provided you here a lot of examples about adverbs, and I think these examples will help you to know better about adverbs. I try my best level to provide you the examples of adverbs. I think if you follow or memorize these adverbs, it will very much helpful for your day-to-day life. And you can use it, you can identify these examples. So I hope you all watch the 8 kinds of adverbs, the videos that I provided to you. I hope you will watch this. And if you like my videos, please subscribe and follow the channel page. Thanks you all the best. Goodbye.